On the 15th of June, soldiers from India and China clashed at the Galwan Valley in Ladakh, one of the most rugged battlefields anywhere in the world. Since then, the physical skirmish has given way to a war of words. New Delhi and Beijing have been making claims and counterclaims about the events leading to the face-off. Here's what we know so far. The first official word came from the Indian Army on the 16th of June. India accused China of unilaterally trying to alter the status quo at the line of actual control. 20 Indian soldiers were killed in the ensuing skirmish. Now, China rejected the Indian version, but it accepted casualties on its own side as well. However, China has not officially revealed the number of casualties that it suffered. Instead, Beijing accused the Indian troops of crossing the LAC and attacking Chinese troops. The PLA claimed that it had sovereign control over the Galwan Valley and that India had made illegal constructions on the Chinese side of the line of actual control. Now, India immediately dismissed this claim by the Chinese side and the PLA as exaggerated and untenable. On the 17th of June, foreign ministers from both the nations spoke to each other. They agreed to diffuse tensions responsibly. Both sides also confirmed that military and diplomatic level talks are underway. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi made his first public statement on the same day. He said that India wanted peace but would give a befitting reply if provoked. There were also some unconfirmed reports circulating that some Indian soldiers were being held in Chinese custody. This was firmly rejected by the Indian Army. On the 18th of June, an army spokesperson said that all troops involved in the skirmish were accounted for. On the 19th of June, in fact, the day after India rejected reports of any soldiers being held captive, China also confirmed that it does not have any Indian troops in custody. In a separate statement, Beijing reiterated its claim over the Galwan Valley, saying PLA troops had been patrolling the region for years. Now, China has also asked India to launch an investigation into Monday's face-off. The demand was made during the phone call between foreign ministers from both the sides. India has yet to publicly respond to this demand by China. Now, the Prime Minister's office has also confirmed that the Chinese troops did indeed try to transgress the line of actual control, but the Indian soldiers were successful in foiling the Chinese attempt on Monday.